Well, hello, it's good to be back. I recently took a really long break from YouTube and I just wanted to touch base on where I am at the moment and what I have in store for this channel and my other channel, Emily Elizabeth May. I won't bore you with the details. I've made another video on Emily Elizabeth May if you want to know about kind of how I've navigated the past 3 months or so with losing my sister and then moving house and dealing with her estate and everything like that. I did a little update video on my other channel, so I will link that around here. But today I just wanted to touch base with you guys because it's been so long. I wanted you to know that I haven't forgotten about you. I haven't forgotten about this channel. In fact, it's been front of my mind for a long time, and I've just been slowly taking my time to figure out when is the right time for me to come back. I've tried to film a couple of videos in the past couple of months and it just didn't feel right and I didn't feel ready. So the past few weeks I've had a bit of a turning point in my mental state and I'm feeling a lot more clear and a lot less overwhelmed. It has shown that I am absolutely ready to come back to content creation and to make a plan for the year. This channel, Living with Emily, has been a passion project for me, but there is actually a reason why I wanted to start it, and I don't think I've properly explained that to you guys. Partly the reason is because these are the kind of topics that I love to talk about and I love to learn about, and they're the types of videos that I like to consume online. Anything about personal development, anything about understanding myself, learning about the complicated human mind and how we can figure out our own programming to then live a happier, more fulfilling life. That is like music to my ears. Like, I love it. My other channel, fashion is something that I'm still really interested in, but we as humans don't just have one sole interest, and I do think that this channel and this topic of personal development is 1,000 times more suited to me right now in my stage of life. And yeah, the fact that it just gets me so excited just shows me that this is the right path for me. Something that I haven't told you guys about, well, I have told you, I've told you that I'm studying at the moment, but I don't think I've actually told you what I'm studying. I'm actually doing a diploma in life coaching and I'm aiming to be an ICF accredited life coach. So I'm about 6 months into what should take about 2 years to complete the diploma, and I took a little bit of time off as well when my sister passed and we moved house. I've really gotten back into it over the past month, and after taking that little break away from everything, away from my life, away from YouTube and away from this channel and the other channel and just everything else, it gave me so much perspective and it made things clear of what I missed and what I wanted to work on going forward. And yeah, the coaching diploma is up there with something that is just getting me so excited at the moment. So I've been coaching my fellow students in the course over the past couple of months, and things have started to click with my coaching and I've been able to get good results for the fellow students in my class. I've been able to help them a lot and it has been the most rewarding experience. Creating these videos online, and when I get all the messages from you guys, that is such a rewarding feeling, knowing that the stuff that I'm talking about is actually making a difference in your lives. And I'm so excited to eventually be able to see clients and see people and help them with their everyday life challenges as well. A lot of what I'm learning about at the moment is getting really deep into, it's called NLP, so neuro-linguistic programming, which really gets to the deeper issue. And so it creates a lot of lasting change in your life. It's not just helping clients go off and take action towards their goals. It's about helping them to understand their own programming in their mind and why they are the way that they are, what's getting in the way of them getting to their goals, and helping them break through that. It's just like talking about it now gets me so excited. I love that I'm learning to help people do this, and it has also changed me so much already over the past few months, particularly now that I'm getting really deep into the learning of coaching. I've been able to do a little bit of coaching on myself. And yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you guys, because I know if you're interested in this kind of content and this channel, then you're definitely interested in all the things that I'm going to be learning in the coaching diploma. I am also planning to just share bits and bobs that I learn throughout as well, any kind of frameworks or things that I've implemented for myself, or particular questions that I would ask clients that would really evoke a lot of self-awareness for them. I want to be able to share those things in videos coming up too. So I've got a lot of exciting things planned for both channels. This channel, obviously more of the personal development, getting into the nitty gritty of learning about ourselves so we can live really good lives. And then the other channel, once again, a little bit of fashion, but also a bit of vlogging and just anything that I feel called to do at the time. I'm really glad that I gave myself the time to properly grieve and heal after my sister passed. It was the most gentle I've ever been with myself, and I have a tendency to be really hard on myself. And it was a bit like that at the beginning when I got thrown into being the executor of her will and being the director of her business as well. It was extremely overwhelming and I was very hard on myself. But I learnt so much through that process and learnt to give myself grace and be really compassionate with myself about what I was going through at the time. So if you want a bit more knowledge on kind of like how I navigated that, it is in that other video on Emily Elizabeth May. I share like more detail about navigating that grief period and how that was for me. But I am really grateful that I gave myself this big break, and I understand and I'm fully aware that I am very privileged to be able to say, okay, I'm just going to stop working. And it came down to a lot of support financially from my partner, Alex. He financially supported us through the past few months, and support from other people as well. So Alex's mum flew over from London. I think I said that in a post. She stayed with us for 5 weeks, which allowed me to go to Melbourne so many times and help my family in Melbourne and do all the things that I needed to do for them. So I didn't do this alone. I did this with support from everyone, friends and family, people for sending food, people, checking in and taking Nate off our hands and babysitting for a little while. Just all the little things. People showed up and the community came and surrounded us, which was really, 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 really lovely. I am very grateful for all of that support. And I do realize that it is a privileged position to be able to stop work and then start up again when I'm ready. But I am exceptionally grateful for that privilege. The videos that are going to be coming up on this channel over the next couple of weeks, I think will be kind of focused on values, goal setting, why we can't get to our goals, what might be stopping us, kind of figuring out the nitty gritty of that. I'm going to have a video about the reinvention of yourself and your mental health after you've had a bit of a setback in life. But obviously I would love to know what videos you might like to see from me coming up. If you have any particular topics that you want to hear, please leave them in the comments below. But thank you for allowing me this time with you to update you. It is amazing to be back. And if you want to see kind of where we're living now, we've moved house since I last saw you. So I think I'm going to do a little tour on my other channel, Emily Elizabeth May. So feel free to go over there if you want to see a bit of like the bits of my life. But here we will be doing the real work, the personal development work. And so thanks for being on this little journey with me. I'm excited to eventually become a life coach. Oh, and also in the next couple of months, I'm probably going to be looking for pro bono clients. So people that I can coach over a 5-week period for free. So if that is something that you might want to access, I need to coach a couple of pro bono clients, then please do stay connected and check for community posts or announcements in videos, because I will probably put some sort of form out so that I can coach some of you guys for free before I'm actually qualified. It is part of my training, so it's part of my assessment. They will be recorded, but it will only be shared with one of my assessors from, I believe, probably be shared with one of my assessors from the course. But yeah, keep an eye out for that if you want some free coaching. And I'm just grateful for you being here. I'm grateful for being able to share on this channel, and very excited to be back. Okay.